As far as this case that has now been reported from the state of West Bengal in Kolkata, where a 31-year-old woman junior doctor who was found dead at the Kolkata State-run Medical College, as what is being said till now, her semi-naked body that was found in the building seminar hall. A forensic team that has been sent for the initial examination of the body at this spot. But meanwhile, there are protests that have now broken out as far as even when it comes to the staffers and the students there who have been demanding justice, saying that they no longer feel safe within the campus.
It is just the beginning of the investigation. Jadi aur kichu thake, obviously we are collecting more and more evidence, we are examining more people. Evam jadi kichu further thake, we will let you know. This is not a conclusion of investigation. Investigation is ongoing and
just a minute.
Yeah, sexual assault. There are signs of sexual assault as far as this is concerned. See, that is what I'm saying. Ki bhai, এখন তো ইনভেস্টিগেশন শুরু হয়েছে. This is not even 24 hours of completion of investigation.
But as far as Times Now accessing the autopsy report of the victim that has revealed horrifying details, which reverts also the victim that suffered from extensive injuries, including multiple wounds across her face and body, and she was bleeding from her mouth and from private areas as well, and also there were injuries that were found on her belly, on her neck, on her legs as well. This tragic incident that has sparked widespread protests, where there is anger and outrage among college nurses as well, who have been staging protest and dharna and have been also demanding for justice. The BJP and the Congress, on the other hand, have also joined in the protest. Let's get you a word there from Adrija, who's joining us as far as the details of protest are also concerned, because Adrija, what we are hearing on part of the BJP side, they have been demanding now for a CBI inquiry. Tell us about the protest, please.
Well, absolutely. You see, the CBI inquiry has been demanded by the BJP, and the Chief Minister herself also have mentioned that she does not have any objection to any central agency or any agency for that matter investigating the whole matter. And at the same time, the protest continues in spite of rains. You can see the visuals that is happening here at RG Kar Medical College at the campus. You can see that the protest continues. The sit-down demonstration by the student doctors and nurses continue here. They have said that they will be ceasing work until and unless a proper investigation happens, until and unless justice is given. So, of course, this continues, and at the same time, we will see that what exactly happens now, because now the BJP, what the students are asking or requesting the political parties that they welcome everyone to join them in solidarity in this particular protest, but at the same time, they do not want the incident to be politicized, because all they want is justice and safety and security of the students inside the campus. We will see if we can talk to someone here, to some of the protesters here. आप लोगों का डिमांड क्या है आज का जो है, और बीजेपी जो है वो बोल रहे हैं कि सीबीआई का इंक्वायरी करना चाहिए.
No politics, please.
So as you can see, the students are saying it should not be politicized, because that is what they have been saying from the very beginning. Even when the political parties are coming here to protest, what they were mentioning is that put down your flags and come and join us in solidarity, because they are welcoming everyone to join them, but they do not want the issue to be politicized.
All right, please do stay on with us, Adrija. The protest still continuing. As far as the students there, they have been demanding for justice, but politics has also been taking place over the death of the trainee doctor, as the BJP that is accused Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee of trying to suppress the matter, as alleging that the victim, there was a case of alleged sexual assault and murder. The TMC, on the other hand, has ordered for a proper investigation, saying that the accused will be given the strictest possible punishment.
पश्चिम बंगाल आज सरकारी आतंक का खौफनाक प्रदेश बन गया. सरकारी आतंक का खौफनाक प्रदेश है. ये चिंताजनक है कि जहां एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री है, वहां महिला सुरक्षित नहीं है. ये ममता की निर्ममता है. संदेश खाली होता है. पश्चिम बंगाल में कानून व्यवस्था ध्वस्त है, और हर बार की तरह ममता बनर्जी मस्त है.
The incident is very unfortunate, very unfortunate. The death is mysterious. Police is investigating, and CP is there, top officials. All of them are trying their best. Honorable Health Secretary, he has visited the spot and doing their job. Moreover, Honorable Chief Minister, she had a telephone talk with the father. Police is trying their best, and Honorable Chief Minister made a clear instruction to police.
हाँ बात की कि আমার পুরো সাপোর্ট থাকবে আর ভিকটিম যে হয়েছে আর যে করেছে তাকে আমি ধরবো, তাকে ক্যাপিটাল পানিশমেন্ট দিব, এসব কথা বলেছে এবং আমাকে পোস্টিং করে দিয়েছে কি নির্মলদা ডেড বডি নিয়ে আপনি যাবেন। তো সবাই আমরা রয়েছি। আমার খুব দুঃখ লাগছে কি আমার এলাকার